Good luck, senor. Buena suerte. We're going to do a box of Topps AMC The Walking Dead Survival Box. Good luck, senor. Buena suerte. See what this is all about. Yep. Made by Topps. It's supposed to be on-card autographs, except for the duals and triples. Those are not on-card. It's supposed to be on-card autos. It's a thick stock. Look at the thick. Like 75 point. Very nice. And it's got got die cuts on it. That's a die cut. Very nice base. Very nice base. I did a good job on the base cards. And all die cuts. Pretty cool. I don't know how that affects the card itself, but pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, you saw that one, saw this one. Glenn Rhee and Maggie Green. Oh, look at that. It's Ken. And we got, congratulations, Don Lerner. Christine Woods as Don Lerner. Is that numbered? No, none of those were numbered. Oh, 6 of, well, the numbered series. No base cards are numbered. There's 10 cards of these, and it's 6 of 10. None of these cards are numbered. Micah Samuels. We got the back. Survival guide. Don't be a hero. Don't be a hero. Pretty cool. Yeah, cool looking base cards, actually. Carol Peters. Oh, this one's numbered. 11 of 25 on Carol Peter. Oh, Pelletier. Sorry. That one's numbered. 11 of 25. That one's number 2. Otis. Otis is numbered. 67 of 99. And we got Deanna Monroe. Tova Feldshuh as Deanna Monroe. That is number 20 of 25. Intercepted again, jeez. How many interceptions Manny's got now? This game cannot end at 37. I don't watch this show. So if anybody that watches this show want to chime in, I don't watch this show. There's one show I do not watch. Ooh, we got a print plate, I think. We got a print plate. We got Be Ruthless. Beth Green. Paul Jesus Robia. Tara Chamberlain. That might be a short print variation. This might be a variation base, so you have to check. There's number 20. So it might be a variation base. And our print plate is Abraham Ford. No autograph relic in that box. I guess a print plate counts as a hit. One of one print plate. Base card short. Oh, it's a short print too. It's a print plate of a short print. A print plate of a short print. Yeah, that's what it is. Noah. Enid. Don Lerner. And we got Walker. That one's numbered. Four of 25. You got the Walker, the print plate. I'm thinking this is a short print. Deanna Monroe autograph. Oh, it is gold, or not gold. They have different names for these. Carol Pelletier and Don Lerner. That was the box. Thanks, sir. I don't know. This is the first time I've seen it. That's the first box I've seen open of this stuff.